until yesterday, this is the furthest I've ever driven this thing. I'd only driven it about 20 miles, and I'm about 3 hours into a drive now, running 75 miles an hour. This truck's doing great. Check out this sunrise. It's still just pulling, just chugging right along. Hey Matt.
What's up?
So we are going wheeling with a bunch of tow truck companies today.
We got Matts Offroad Recovery, BSF, and Rory. And last time we rode with Rory, he had to drag us out, so.
Yeah, I don't know if it's good or bad luck to go with a bunch of tow trucks, but we'll find out.
Let's go have fun and make more choices.
All right, let's do it.
You to get this thing back together after your wreck.
From the crash to the next recovery, it was 8 days.
Really?
Yeah. I listened to a customer when I shouldn't have, and I did not double check to make sure that the vehicle was in gear. I took his word for it, and it started rolling down the hill with only on the boom, and done.
Flipped over backwards?
It flipped over completely backwards and then fell on its side, and then I used the winches to flip it back on its wheels. But the radiator was so smashed around the fan, I didn't want to try to drive it, so we towed it out. The only time it's ever been pulled.
Right.
Make it?
Oh yeah. You got this.
Guess we gotta go pay our toll.
That's the devil juice about those dualies. They get those baseballs between the tires, then they go fling them out and kill you.
I hope not, we're behind it.
That's why I'm staying way back. Hey look, there's George's house. Can you pick it out?
I probably broke my stub shaft. Now it's going to take a little more work to get through here.
Just have to three-wheel it now.
I ran out.
Your buggy is so slow. I take it back. It's not slow. You just had it in the wrong gear. Good morning.
Hey!
What are we doing today?
We're gonna drive a long ways to get to the ledges.
So we've got 15 Jeeps behind us. We're gonna take them on a tour of the Ledges Trail, which is on the complete opposite side of Sand Hollow. So, in about 2 hours, we'll start this video. Showed up. It's the recovery crew. Hands in the vehicle. Yeah.
That was cool.
You make that look fun.
It is fun.
Just a little pucker, right? Just nothing like bouncing off that and looking at that, right?
A little different than in the more rare.
Yeah, a little bit.
We're gonna have some trouble with some of these Jeeps back there.
You think?
We got a couple stock ones.
Were you up real late last night?
Yes. 1:20 is when I climbed in bed, and then I got up at 5:30 to put this together.
That's the real life of YouTube right there, in case you're wondering.
This is the hardest part that's not bypassable of this trail right here. Which doesn't look bad until you turn around the other way. Oh man. So if you screw up here and it's off camber, you'll be down there. Colt makes it look so easy though. I'm like in the wrong spot.
Yeah, there's a hard spot to find. Spot.
Downhilly.
But it's hard to be leaning off that edge, ain't it?
It is, yes.
And be leaning off into a hole and then looking at 15 foot of hole.
Yeah, I was like, Matt, I really hope I don't tumble down there. So.
What do you think about it? Scrapey, scrapey. Scrapey, scrapey. It's coming, you're right there. Yeah, you're barely into it. Oh man, it is so close. There it goes. Nice. Nice.
I think I scratched it.
You win a prize.
Thank you.
Oops. Let's remove the fangs. Oh yeah, it smells good, don't it?
Hey, now turn into a mountain. Probably gonna fix that front wheel a little.
I can't hear you.
Hey, stop there.
Shiny headlights.
You see me pretend I was tough?
The
Like,
magic,
I'm
the magic
faking-
was in the headlights.
I'm faking this. Oh yeah, you like that?
Those are beautiful.
But you didn't
That-
touch the winch.
That was scary. You took the scary line. I'm letting you know that.
That's all right. Yeah, driver.
Yeah. You're right. I'm recording you. In case something crazy happens, you want a hand?
I want a foot. There we go.
Yeah. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, now everything you got passenger.
Creep it.
Yep. Yep, it's real slow. You look good. Look good. Straighten out a little bit. Now ease off it real slow. There you go. Whoa, gas! Woo! Woo!
Why do you do that to me?
Hop in next time?
No.
Watch out in there, he's pushing on this rock. There it goes. Whoop. It's creeping on forward slowly.
Broke his drive line.
Yeah, that U-joint was a known bad one.
He broke a U-joint strap. The drive line's fine.
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Well, see what happened was, you know how on the east side when we like hop, 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 I tried to clutch it and I couldn't turn the wheel fast enough. It was slow motion though. It really wasn't that bad.
I was. He actually had to hold me back a little bit when it first happened, and then I...
She's trying to jump out, you know, and I'm like, I want to make sure everything's safe. But
I was worried, but once I saw that she was safe, good to go.
Now if I flip again, I'll stop. I'll get winched up.
But you're gonna drive it.
Yeah, I'm driving it.
You're hardcore.
You're hardcore.
This was the final climb of the day. Unfortunately, we had a reality check to why we love this sport so much. The adrenaline rush of pushing ourselves and our rigs to their limits. We found later that a piece inside the throttle body had broke, causing the Jeep to keep throttling up at no fault to the driver. Unfortunately, she ended up getting pretty beat up in this roll. Even with all the proper safety gear, 4-point harness, and quality cage are what kept this from being a much worse situation. But in disaster, we must look at the blessings in life. As we had Matts Offroad Recovery crew there with probably the only cell phone that had good enough service that 911 could ping off the location. We had the BSF crew with their paramedic gear ready to go. And we had Rory with his Trailmater that got the Jeep back on all fours and down the hill before the impending storm. As her recovery is going good, there will still be some surgeries ahead, and the Jeep is pretty beat up. So if you'd like to help her Jeep get back on all fours and on the road again, please reach out to us.